Hi everybody, welcome back to the craft space. Okay, what I want to try and do today is this. I want to cover it with the nautical rope. And first I want to start down here, right, to cover this, right? So what I think I'm going to try and do is curl this on top of each other. And see if I can't get it to stay. I mean, I don't know. I thought about using this too, so we may end up using the bigger nautical rope. But I don't know how I'm going to cover it. Because, I'm wanting it as a little, like a little birdhouse. Right? Here's what I'm wanting. It's like a little birdhouse. Outside. Of course outside, but I mean, obviously you guys already knew that. Outside birdhouse. But I'm going to try and cover this with this rope so it kind of gives it a rustic and gives me a good foundation to do whatever else comes to mind. So let me try and get some of this done. This done. Right? Let me see where I go with it and I'll bring you back. Okay guys, got a little bit of a question. What does this look like now that I am done with it? Okay, I went around the bottom, which made this, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see this bump right here? And then I went around, all the way around until I got to the back, closed it off. It's a nice little circle going all the way around. Then I came back up here and went around the entrance twice. Now, tell me, what does this look like? Looks like a beehive. Let me give you a better look. Okay, let me give you an example of it. If we put this here, now does it look like a bee? Or how about we hang this off here? Put it on here. Does it look like a beehive? It looks like a beehive. And it might turn into a beehive. What do you think? You think a bird will go in there and make a nest if there's a big bee on it? I don't know. I don't know. I don't. A big bee. I think I'm missing a leg. Am I missing a leg? I am. Oh well, I'll cut this one off and I'll only have 4 legs. Anyway, guys, let me think about this for a minute. Think, see what, clean up the inside, I guess. A big old ball of glue right there. And I'll see what I don't know, see what I have to decorate with. And then I'll bring you back, all right? But that's literally all I did. And this took a ton of glue. Yeah, I mean a ton of glue. So this is what we came up with. We'll see what we go from here. All right, I'll see you on the other side. Hi everybody, this is Teresa and we are at the craft section for a reason. Our craft area section, craft area, was because I'm hoping I can find the beginning of this. I have taken one of these plastic aquarium things that we got at the Dollar Tree, right, that you hang it from here, right, and we covered it in the nautical rope. This is the bottom, and we put smaller rope in circles, made them bigger to make this bottom stick out so that it would look like a beehive or a birdhouse. But I am going to go ahead and finish putting some embellishments on this, and this bee. Okay, and it's gonna go up here, right? But I want to get these up first. So, and these I got at the Dollar Tree, and they come on these clamps like this, right? And what it is the end of these were stuck in and glued into these holes. So I just pulled it out and cleaned it up, got all the glue off of it, and I'm going to put them on my beehive. But I'm just going to put a little glue here, and then I'm going to stick this into the rope that we got on here so that it really sticks in there, right? And I'm just going to hold it a little bit till the glue dries. And you see this bee is going to go up here. And I don't mind that it hides a little bit of the flowers or anything, because I thought about, and he won't fit inside. Well, I guess he will if I bend his wings and hide him, but you know, I wanted him. And I'm also thinking of hanging this, and I wanted it to hang right. So, but I thought that I would add a little bit of different flowers and see if I could get this hung up. I don't know where I'm hanging it or anything like that, but I really wanted to just get it started. Plus, I haven't brought you a DIY in a long time because of the whole surgery. Couldn't get to my craft area, and I have been inspired by multiple people, but mostly by Ember over at Crafting on Wheels. She has put up her room tour like 3 or 4 different times, where she's had to tweak it to best fit her and her way of crafting and everything. And I'm like, Teresa, if you just got in there and you just got this stuff done, then you could, you could make things too. So I have been inspired by different people, and then with the help of my awesome sons, our son Travis, I have just been able to, get in here and get things put away, and, just able to get back to what I enjoy doing, So I wanted to do this and maybe finish this up, you know, a little. I don't want him hidden, but I also don't want my whole flower hidden either. Just want him nestled in there, right? And then we're going to put glue on the back side and the front side of that little hanger that is in there. So and then we'll hold this for just a little bit. So then we'll work out what this bee is gonna look like. So I hope everybody is having a good day. I hope that you're staying positive and find some inspiration somewhere, like I have done, finally. And just, you know, make the best of it. I have been trying, and I found out, you know, and I got not a rude awakening, I should say, but I got a little thing saying, hey Mom, you could possibly be doing, hang on, oh no, oh, the glue dried, the glue gun dropped, that I could be doing a better job of making good with my time and everything. So I wanted to try and do that. Okay. I'm just going to come up here because a lot of that dripped away from under here because I had it kind of the wrong way. So I'm just going to let that sit and dry, and then I'll be back with you guys, and then we will finish this up, and hopefully I can find the beginning of this so I can show you what I did. But it was filmed, I don't know, a while back. So I'll see you in a little bit. Alright everybody, he's nice and glued on there. He's not going anywhere or anything like that. And I think I'm going to call this good. I can still hang it up, right, from the hanger that's, you know, right back here. And if I want to put it on my desk or anywhere in the house or outside, I can, it just sits. So, and that is my little bee. Remember, the bee came from the Dollar General. The rope all came from the Dollar Tree. These flowers came from the Dollar Tree. And the aquarium thing, it came from the Dollar Tree too. So, and, but yeah, that's my little decoration, summer type thing. I know it's kind of late. Just getting back into crafting, finding stuff, but I have learned that depending on my family for a little extra at this time is not going to hurt me. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully I can find the previous footage where we covered this. So, okay everybody, alright, I hope this inspires somebody to, like I said, learn from my mistakes. If you need help, just ask for it, and you know, do what you can, be happy with what you got, right? Stay positive everybody, think outside your box, and help where you can. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!